Hey YouTube, this is Luigi and I'm going to show you my crib. So over here we have my bed. This is where I record my videos, and this is a ghost who live here. What can I do? And Dexter's here too. He loves this bed. Okay, over here, you see? This is my other bed. And it's for the beaches. Over here, you follow me? This is where you dress up. I love perfume and all sorts of makeup. I'm a big fan. There's down here, that's all my magazines. Okay. Over here, my favorite dress. It suits me really well. Over here, you got all my shoes and all my clothes. So now you see my crib. Now get the fuck out.